was the something shrimp sole or something like that. Breaded version of this one. This one was Dave's recommendation, which is the One Love chicken.
One Love, yeah man. Big up.
Mahamba.
Oh my god. Let's see. Look at this.
Use a fork to get the meat, bro.
I got a lot. Oh my god. Aftermath. After the fact.
Oh yeah.
Just finished eating at Dave's. Both of Dave's associated food trucks. Looking for dessert now. Food was really good. Holy shit. Whipped cheesecake in a jar. Maybe. We'll see. What are you getting, brother?
Do you still have the chocolate hazelnut?
Oh boy, it's coming. Nigel.
Just wait 5 minutes before you eat it, kind of. Just we usually make them to order, but we have them pre-made.
Okay. Thank you, Bob.
5 minute, made to order. Beaver tails. Can't go wrong. Lineup is fat for beaver tails. I had to spin the block. It looked so good. Cheesecake on a stick. He said wait 5 minutes for it to defrost and then we'll do a little taste test. Stay tuned in 5 minutes. We're at a fruit stand where they blend the fruit drink and then put it into the fruit itself. Joy can't decide what she wants. I think she'll end up with, what drink do you think she'll end up with?
Watermelon.
Watermelon?
Watermelon. Do you want one to share?
Do you want to share one?
It's up to you. Do you want one?
I wouldn't mind.
Because I don't want one for myself. That's the only thing.
Okay, we'll share one.
Okay.
Which one do you want? You pick. We ended up getting pineapple.
That's pretty good.
I can make this shit better at Real Fruit. Whatever.
I agree with that.
Yeah, like do it.
Eater. We're just like
Sideways bite.
congratulations, you guys are married now. Fucking move the line. Hey, move the.
Nigel's gonna get the Doritos burrito in a bag. Is this your Dorito in the burrito bag? Burrito in the Dorito?
This is my 5th dinner.
You know what's crazy? He's still getting elote.
Like you have to crush the thing at the bottom. Can you do it?
Burrito.
Sure.
Looks like someone's ass.
Hold on.
What the fuck?
Oh.
You're supposed to crush like
I feel like you could have made this at home.
You look like you about to roll that up.
Oh,